Hey everyone, welcome back. This is the code implementation for swapping variables using bitwise operator, that is XOR. Here we have simply assigned two variables which are x equals to 10, y equals to 20. This is the main logic for swapping variables. Here we are simply doing x XOR with y. X is 10, XOR y is 20. You will get 30. For calculating this, you can use any online XOR converter. Also, you can print the values to check if the values are being converted properly or not. For the next one, y equals to x XOR with y. X is now 30, XOR y is still 20. You'll get 10. Next, x XOR with y. X is still 30 and XOR y is now 10. You will get 20. So let me quickly run this script. You can see before swap 10 20, after swap 20 10. So the values are properly swapped. That's a wrap for today's session. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights like this.